Hello and welcome to Beats. Today I'll be showing you guys how to view your installed VST and add them to your plugin picker in FL Studio. So this is what's going to happen. I'm about to add a plugin that I've installed like Fabrica Pro and add so many installed programs VST I did, but I can't find them here. We have to find this refresh plugin list in this add place. This is a refresh plugin list fast scan. It's going to scan every directory that has any VST file installed on your PC. It's going to scan all of them and bring them all in one place. So FL Studio can be able to read directories where those installed VST have been kept. So we just have to wait a little time, like maybe 30 seconds to 40 seconds to do this quick scan. We have to be patient, and this is it. Fast scan completed. We just have to hit OK. The new VST is going to appear at this place, but this is how we're going to do it. We're going to go to this plus button. As you can see, it's not here, so we're going to more plugins, and at this more plugins now we're going to be seeing those installed plugins. These are my installed VSTs and plugins. These are they from Xenology up. So what we're going to do now to make them appear on our plugin picker is by doing this simple step, by adding it, by styling them like this. Once you are styling them, you are telling FL Studio that these plugins are what you want to be appearing at your plugin picker. You don't need to go to extra click, come into a more plugins to get your plugins and your VST. I'll quickly increase the speed of this video. So this is it. I've started the ones I need. So these ones are here now. I don't need to start them because they're image line products and they're stock plugins. FL Studio automatically brings them onto your plugin picker list, so I don't need to start them anymore. So but now let's see what we've started. As you can see now, we can find all our Ozone 11, Fab, Filter, and Bleeze VSTs. All of them are now here. So once I need them, I just easily pick them and make use of it. This is a simple way of adding your installed VST to FL Studio. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.